Gary, we're here at the 2025 GAWDA SMC. Got 700 members here. What's the overall message that you're looking to provide to those members as they come to your booth?
Yeah, so as we're talking to our the GAWDA membership, just to reinvigorate a number of programs that we have, introduce a few different new welding machines that we have, but really to drive the message that as we partner more together, we can win and earn business together. So I think the ultimate message is that our strategy is working, and we're going to continue to work through that strategy to grow our businesses together.
Absolutely. So you've had a slew of exciting announcements this year, from new programs to new products. Can you tell me what you're jacked up about right now?
So we have a few different machines in our commercial business space. So we have a brand new battery-powered welder called the Elevate. That machine was just launched officially. We've got inventory and are shipping those now. We have a new machine that will be coming here soon in the MIG and TIG space. So obviously keep your eyes out for that machine. We'll be launching that here shortly. But we've also had like what's called a Power MIG 262 machine, and those are now in stock and ready to go. So we are going to be producing some new programs in regards to those two machines in our commercial space, and we're really excited about those when they hit the market.
Absolutely. So before we started filming, you were telling me about some personnel changes that you had made that would be important to know for GAWDA members. So can you introduce that?
Yeah, I sure can. So here recently we have a new president of our America's Welding, Michael Whitehead. So he has joined the commercial team, or joined the Lincoln team on the welding core business side of things in the last 3 months. So he is here interacting with the GAWDA memberships and getting to know this side of the business.
Absolutely. Last question for you, Gary. Everybody knows Lincoln Electric. It's a brand synonymous with this industry, but is there anything that distributors here might not know about the company?
So I think one thing that we are continuing to push forward and starting to drive is we started years when the business started. We have electrical vehicle charging systems. We've got patents on those that go way back in time from John Lincoln, the initial founder. So we're now getting back into the electric vehicle charging space, and we've got a whole business that we're building out and bringing to the industry. So a lot of excitement around that space, and more to come.
Perfect. Gary, you covered a lot of ground here, a lot of really exciting stuff going on. Any last messages you want to leave members with?
No, I think ultimately the Lincoln team is here to support the membership. Across the country, we've got team members out to support, and ultimately we want to be in the cars working with your teams to grow our business. And I think the partnerships have grown, and I think we're going to continue to grow those in the years to come.
Awesome. Well, Gary, we really appreciate it, buddy.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.